Today we're going to talk about Antarctica, the frozen continent at the bottom of the world. Antarctica is a land of extremes, with the coldest, driest, and windiest conditions on Earth. It's also a land of mystery, with many secrets hidden beneath its thick ice sheet. But what do we know about Antarctica? How was it discovered? What ancient civilizations may have lived there? And what strange phenomena are happening there today? Let's find out. The first question is, who discovered Antarctica? You might think that it was some modern explorer or scientist, but the truth is that Antarctica was first sighted by sailors in the early 19th century. There were two rival expeditions that claimed to be the first to see the continent, one led by a Russian naval officer named Fabian Gottlieb von Bellingshausen, and the other by a British captain named Edward Bransfield. Both of them spotted the Antarctic coast in January 1820, but it's not clear who was first. Some historians say that Bellingshausen saw it on January 27th, while others say that Bransfield saw it on January 30th. Either way, both of them made history by being the first humans to witness the frozen landmass. But Antarctica was not always frozen. Millions of years ago, it was part of a supercontinent called Gondwana, which included South America, Africa, India, Australia, and New Zealand. This supercontinent started to break up in the early Jurassic period, about 180 million years ago, leaving Antarctica isolated at the South Pole. Over time, the climate changed and Antarctica became colder and colder until it was covered by a thick layer of ice about 34 million years ago. But what if I told you that there is evidence of ancient civilizations that may have lived in Antarctica before it was frozen? Sounds crazy, right? Well, some researchers have found some intriguing clues that suggest that Antarctica may have been home to advanced cultures that left behind pyramids, structures, and even maps. One of these clues is a map called the Piri Reis map, which was drawn by a Turkish admiral in 1513. The map shows the coastlines of South America, Africa, and Europe, but also a mysterious landmass that looks like Antarctica. The problem is that Antarctica was not officially discovered until 1820. So how did Piri Reis know about it? Some say that he used ancient sources that knew about Antarctica before it was covered by ice. But where did these sources come from? And who were they? Another clue is a series of pyramids that have been spotted in Antarctica by satellite images and explorers. These pyramids are similar to those found in Egypt and Mexico, and some believe that they are evidence of an ancient civilization that built them for religious or astronomical purposes. However, skeptics say that these pyramids are just natural formations created by erosion and glaciation. So far, no one has been able to confirm or deny the existence of these pyramids with certainty. But Antarctica is not only a place of history, but also a place of mystery. Many strange phenomena are happening in Antarctica that defy explanation. For example, there is a place called Blood Falls where a stream of red liquid flows out of a glacier. The liquid looks like blood, but it's water that contains iron oxide, which gives it its red color. The water comes from an underground lake that has been isolated from the outside world for millions of years. Scientists have found that this lake contains unique microorganisms that survive without oxygen or sunlight. These microorganisms are so different from anything else on Earth that they could help us understand how life could exist on other planets. But the most controversial and sensational mystery of Antarctica is the possibility of alien activity. Many rumors and conspiracy theories claim that Antarctica is a hotspot for UFO sightings, secret bases, and lost civilizations. Some of these theories are based on eyewitness accounts, declassified documents, or satellite images that show strange shapes and structures on the ice. Some of these theories are also inspired by fiction, such as the novels of H.P. Lovecraft, who wrote about ancient and evil beings that lived in Antarctica. Some of the most popular and outrageous theories include: the Nazis had a secret base in Antarctica where they developed advanced weapons and technology, and where they escaped after World War II. There is a lost city under the ice that belongs to an ancient civilization called Atlantis, which was destroyed by a cataclysmic event. There is a portal or a gateway to another dimension or another planet in Antarctica where aliens come and go. Of course, there is no solid proof or credible evidence for any of these theories. At most, scientists and experts dismiss them as fantasies or hoaxes. So, what do you think about Antarctica? Do you think it's a place of history or mystery? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.